Ever felt like your trend indicators are always one step late? You catch a move, it flips. You enter again, it flips back, and suddenly you're trapped between fake signals. That's exactly why I'm showing you this setup today. The twin optimized trend tracker strategy on TradingView cuts through all that noise. It doesn't just tell you the trend, it shows you when momentum actually shifts, when price is rejecting, and where to get in with confidence. So give me a few minutes and I'll walk you through the full setup, the best settings, and how to trade it properly with real examples. So I'm on TradingView, and this strategy works great for intraday trading, not too noisy like the 5-minute, but still fast enough to catch moves before the bigger players do. Open the Indicators tab and search for Twin Optimized Trend Tracker Strategy. Click it and add this one to the trading chart. Once it loads, we'll make a few changes. So first of all, open the settings of this indicator. You can do that from here. Go to Inputs tab and change the OTT period from 40 to 14. This makes it react faster to recent price movement, which is ideal for shorter time frames. Then go to Style tab and turn off the extra lines we don't need so the chart stays clean. Just follow my steps and disable all these options. This indicator uses a smart dual filter. One part tracks trend direction using adaptive moving averages, and the other part smooths volatility so it doesn't flip on every small candle. The result? Fewer false trend changes and much cleaner signals. The lines you'll see, the upper and lower OTT bands, act as your dynamic support and resistance zones. When price is above the middle band, you're in an uptrend. When it's below, you're in a downtrend. Simple, visual, and clear. Next, we'll add one more confirmation tool to make entries even stronger. So go back to Indicators tab and type glowing RSI candlesticks. Add that. This indicator changes the candle color based on RSI readings. When RSI is above 50, this shows bullish momentum. When RSI is below 50, candles darken to show bearish pressure. Think of it as momentum painted directly onto your chart. No need to keep checking the RSI window below. Now our setup is ready. The Twin Optimized Trend Tracker shows us trend direction and potential entries, and the glowing RSI candlesticks confirms whether momentum agrees with the signal. The combination filters out a lot of false moves, and I will show you that in this video. Here's how we'll trade it.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
For a buy trade, we need 4 things to happen. First, the trend tracker prints a buy signal. This means the market structure just shifted bullish. Second, check that RSI candles are above the 50 line. That tells us momentum is also bullish. Third, we want a bullish candle close for confirmation, not just a wick poke. And fourth, we'll set our stop loss just below the OTT lower line, because that line acts as dynamic support. The take profit will be set at 1.5 times the risk. For sell trades, it's the same logic flipped. Wait for the trend tracker to print a sell signal. Make sure RSI candles are below the 50 line, meaning bearish momentum. Look for a clean bearish candle close, then set your stop loss above the OTT upper line and take profit at 1.5. Let's go through some live examples so you can visualize exactly how to trade it. For example, here we got a buy signal from the Twin Optimized Trend Tracker. The RSI candles are above the 50 line. I wait for a full bullish candle close for confirmation. And as soon as that happens, all conditions line up perfectly, so we enter the buy trade on the next candle open. The stop loss is placed just below the OTT lower band. That's our built-in dynamic support, and set take profit to 1.5 times the risk. As the trade plays out, the price holds strong and continues pushing upward. Within a few candles, target hit. Always wait for candle close confirmation, not just the signal pop up. This alone will save you from a ton of fake entries. Now look here. We get another buy signal. This RSI candles are hovering above the 50 level. And if we got a buy signal on a red candle, you can wait for the next candle to close and see if that is a bullish green candle or not. If yes, that's the momentum confirmation. Take the trade, stop below the OTT band, target the 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Some trades takes longer to develop, but notice how price stays above the band. The OTT acts like a smooth trailing support. The moment price moves away from it, we're in business. Trade runs, hits take profit cleanly. If you ever see the RSI candles struggling to hold above 50 right after a buy signal, give it one candle to confirm. A little patience makes the trade cleaner. Now let's go through a few sell trade examples. So here we can see we got a sell signal. Price drops below the middle band, and the RSI candle's oscillator is below the 50 line. And finally, we got a bearish candle also. Perfect sell trade setup, giving full confirmation, so we can enter the sell trade at the next candle open. The stop loss goes just above the OTT upper band for a sell trade, and the take profit target can be set at 1.5R. As we can see, the price immediately continues lower and hits target fast. Try to catch these setups after a small pullback. When the signal appears right after a correction, it's usually the start of a clean continuation move. Here we got another sell signal. We also got a red bearish candle right away. The RSI candles are below 50 as we can see. That's your entry. Stop loss above the upper band and target 1.5. Some trades will dip, hesitate, then accelerates down and hit target beautifully. Don't jump in on the same candle as the signal if it's small or indecisive. Let the market show intent. The next candle usually tells you everything. Now, a few key reminders to make this system work consistently. First, this strategy works best on trending markets. Avoid using it in flat, choppy price zones where signals constantly flip. The OTT and RSI both rely on movement. No movement means fake signals. Second, the 30-minute chart is a sweet spot, but you can also try 15-minute for faster trades or 1 hour for smoother setups. Third, if you want extra confidence, you can combine this system with a 200 EMA. For example, only take buys when price is above the 200 EMA and sells when below it. It's a simple filter that improves win rate instantly. Fourth, risk management. Always keep your stop under the OTT band. Don't tighten it too early. The line naturally adjusts to volatility, and if price touches it, that's your built-in exit signal. One last tip, the OTT signals can also help you scale in or out of trades. If you're already in a buy and it prints another buy signal while RSI is still strong, that's a continuation. You can add to your position or trail your stop behind the OTT band. The same applies in reverse for sells. Trading doesn't have to be complicated. Keep it simple, stay disciplined, and you'll start catching smoother trends instead of getting stuck in market noise. If you found value in this breakdown, hit that like button, drop a comment, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.